Hello guys, in this video guys I will be telling you how you can use Omegle on your iPhone or iPad or whatever your iOS device, doesn't matter, and that's the permanent solution. Whether you are from America, whether you are from anywhere, for example India, Malaysia, Zimbabwe, Ireland, America, it doesn't matter, but this method will work 1000%. And I have worked a lot for this to make to run Omegle on your iOS device. So first thing is first, let me show you, because people usually get demands for the proof that you had a working Omega previously. So let me just show you. So you can see it's Safari. Now I'm going to type in Omegle. So you can see Safari cannot open the page because the server cannot be found. So now the first example, now let me show you on this. I'm going to type in Omegle and request mobile site. Now just tap on this. So you can see it's not working. Mozilla Firefox. So just go tap on Omegle and wait for a few seconds. So this video is 1000% working if you want to use Omegle on your iOS device. Let me just type in again. Okay, now just tap on Omegle. So you won't find Omegle. So okay, now just type on Omegle and you can see a server with this host name could not be found. Now what you will do, so first thing is first, you need to just go to the App Store and you need to type in the DNS changer. Now make sure you download the exact this app as I'm showing. I have already downloaded it. Now just tap and open. So you need to just want to do, you need to don't change anything, just you need to tap on this start button. Okay, and once just let it give some time. Okay, just succeeded. Now believe me, it's going to work 1000%. Even if I'm using Safari or Google Chrome, whatever, just tap on this Omegle and wait for a few seconds. So just tap on this, and I will also just request mobile so that you guys have proof. Just tap on video, just tap on this and confirm and continue, because I'm recording the screen so voice won't come. Just tap on